doctors, we can't undo our mistakes, and we rarely forgive ourselves for them. But it's a hazard of the trade. But as human beings, we can always.